Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 GMC Terrain SLT. The exterior color is silver, and under the hood we have a 2-liter engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights as well as high and low beam headlights. We also have a pair of fog lamps and an engine block heater connection. Over at the side we have our 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in hand-cooked tires. We also have color-matched mirror caps and door handles. At the rear, we have privacy-tinted windows, and up top we have a beautiful twin-panel moonroof, as well as our roof rails. This GMC Terrain also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have a trailer tow package, as well as reverse sensors paired to a backup camera. We have a power liftgate, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with the wiper blade attached. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as power locks, memory seating for the driver, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors with blind spot information system. Over at the steering column, we have our automatic headlamp dial, and we have a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control settings located to the left. And over at the right, we have our information trackpad as well as our hands-free controls. Up above, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with the cabin lights that provide ambient lighting. We also have our beautiful twin-panel moonroof. And as we look down at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating that comes with fully adjustable seat with lumbar support. As we look ahead, you'll see we have 25,309 kilometers on this beautiful GMC Terrain. And as we look ahead, you'll see we have our LCD touchscreen display, which allows for audio control, phone connectivity, navigation, as well as other apps. Our driver can also view the display of the rear view camera. Down below, we have our controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Driver and passenger can also enjoy heated seats, and our driver can enjoy a heated steering wheel. We have dual cup holders, and a center console that provides tons of storage. At the rear, passengers can also enjoy door storage, as well as power windows, and even more storage in the rear of our driver and passenger seating. At the rear of our center console, we have dual USB ports. And our 60/40 bench seat leaves tons of headspace and loads of legroom for 3 passengers to enjoy. If there are any more questions about this beautiful GMC Terrain, please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. I'd also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.